Hello YouTube gardeners. This week at Southern California Gardening, our onions that we started from seed are ready to transplant into the beds. And before I head over there, I wanted to share this amazing resource with you, the Organic Gardening Encyclopedia. I think it was about a year ago, and I was watching the Great American Farm Tour, and they mentioned this book. I grabbed it, and boy, am I glad I grabbed it. It is packed full of great information. It's an excellent resource. I highly recommend it. Here I am in the onion section. Goes into planting, talks about the long day, short day types, watering, growing guidelines, of course, problems that you could experience, harvesting, and even some planting methods. And really they cover just about every food that you could think of growing in this book. I got mine on Amazon. I'm sure you can get this at any of your local bookstores. All right, I'm gonna head over to the bed where I'm gonna get my transplants into the ground. And just like it mentions here, the transplants are gonna go about 2 inches deep and about 4 to 6 inches. I'm gonna go 4 inches apart, because as I'm harvesting them, then the ones that are left can grow a little bigger. I've got about 100 to transplant right now, so off I go. And here are the keepsakes. Those were the large white onions. And then here are the Expression and the yellow Granix. These are the large yellow onions. Now the keepsakes have a very long growing season, 280 days. So these guys are going to get planted back behind the garlic because they're going to be in the bed for a very long time, and that way it frees up the front part of the bed for other vegetables to grow. So we'll keep the keepsakes in the back. They take a long time to grow, but they're an amazing onion. They're very large and they have a very, very long storage capability. All right, so this is going to be easy. Just going to come in here and make 2-inch deep impressions all the way along this row behind the garlic, and then get the transplants placed every 4 inches. Cover them with soil, pack it down, and give it a deep water. Then we'll keep an eye on them for the next several days. Make sure they're staying nice and moist. And once the greens perk up, then I'll let these soaker hoses do the rest. And just a quick tip, I found that it's easiest to separate these little starts from all the other ones. They're all combined in those cells, and it seems to be easiest when the soil is on the dry side. Then the roots just the soil flakes off and the roots just fall apart really nice and easy. You can see here the soil is pretty dry. There's a little moisture in there. But when I took them out of the cell, I just kind of crumbled it and they all just fell apart really nicely. Now they're ready to get in. All right, got all the keepsakes planted. They're back behind the garlic hiding. They're doing really well. And I had quite a few left over, so I'm gonna plant them in another part of the garden. And I had an extra crate. I love using these for strawberries, but I have just about basically all of the strawberries out for the season. Had this extra crate, so got some of the leftover keepsakes in here. Onions grow great in containers, and also got them planted throughout the broccoli, kale, and chard. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. You guys stay safe out there. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.